In today's episode of The Story of Animals, we explore the fascinating world of two beloved barnyard birds. Though they often share space in our fields and imaginations, these birds are strikingly different in their biology, behavior, and role in ecosystems. Let us embark on a journey to uncover the quirks and curiosities that set the chicken and the duck apart. To understand the fundamental differences between chickens and ducks, we must first examine their anatomy. The chicken is a land-dwelling bird with a compact body built for scratching and pecking. Its legs are sturdy, with clawed toes ideal for digging into the soil in search of food. Its beak is pointed and sharp, perfectly adapted for breaking seeds and catching small insects. On the other hand, ducks are creatures of the water. Their webbed feet are perfectly designed for swimming, allowing them to navigate ponds and rivers with ease. Their flat, broad bills contain small ridges called lamellae, which act as sieves to filter food from water and mud. Unlike chickens, ducks possess feathers coated with a waterproof oil secreted from a gland near their tails, ensuring they remain buoyant and dry. Chickens are highly social birds that live in flocks governed by a strict hierarchy known as the pecking order. This ranking determines access to food and nesting spots and is maintained through displays of dominance and submission. In contrast, ducks have a more fluid social structure. While they do form flocks, their interactions are generally less aggressive. Ducks rely on a repertoire of vocalizations and body language to maintain group cohesion and alert others to potential threats. Their behavior is often described as more harmonious compared to the competitive nature of chickens. Another behavioral distinction lies in their resting habits. Chickens roost on elevated perches to stay safe from predators, returning to the same spot each night. Ducks, however, prefer to sleep on water, where they are less vulnerable to terrestrial predators. This unique adaptation showcases the duck's strong connection to its aquatic environment. Both chickens and ducks are prolific egg layers, but their reproductive strategies differ. Chickens, especially those bred for egg production, can lay over 300 eggs annually. These eggs are hard-shelled and designed for incubation on land. The mother hen often exhibits strong maternal instincts, carefully turning her eggs and guarding her nest. Ducks, meanwhile, lay fewer eggs, typically in hidden nests near water. Their eggs have thicker shells and a higher fat content, providing added protection and nutrition for developing embryos. Once the ducklings hatch, they are precocial, meaning they can walk, swim, and forage within hours. While chicken chicks are also precocial, they tend to remain more dependent on their mother for warmth and guidance during their early days. Chickens are ground feeders with a diet that includes seeds, grains, insects, and even small vertebrates. They use their sharp eyesight to spot food and their clawed feet to scratch the earth, uncovering hidden treasures. Their foraging behavior is a rhythmic process of pecking and scratching, making them efficient hunters of ground-dwelling prey. In contrast, ducks are dabblers, a term that describes their unique feeding method. They tip forward in shallow water, submerging their heads while their tails remain above the surface. This behavior, called upending, allows them to sift through water and mud for aquatic plants, small fish, and invertebrates. Their lamellae enable them to filter food with remarkable precision, a feeding style that chickens cannot replicate. Chickens are highly adapted to terrestrial life. Their sharp vision allows them to detect even the smallest movements, making them adept at spotting potential predators or prey. Their feathers provide excellent insulation, ensuring they remain warm in colder climates. Over centuries of domestication, chickens have developed incredible resilience, thriving in a variety of environments. Ducks, as aquatic birds, are equally remarkable in their adaptations. Their waterproof feathers, streamlined bodies, and webbed feet make them perfectly suited for life in and around water. Chickens possess a surprising level of intelligence and memory. They can recognize up to 100 individual faces, including those of humans and other chickens. This remarkable social awareness helps them navigate the complex dynamics of their flock. Additionally, recent studies suggest chickens are capable of basic arithmetic and problem-solving, challenging the stereotype of the bird brain. Ducks, on the other hand, are extraordinary for their versatility and endurance. Their ability to adapt to both urban and wild environments demonstrates their resilience and resourcefulness. Another intriguing trait is their ability to sleep with one eye open, keeping half their brain alert to potential threats, a skill that underscores their survival instincts. In the world of chickens and ducks, we find two birds with shared ancestry, yet vastly different adaptations. From the chicken's mastery of the land to the duck's dominion over water, their differences remind us of nature's endless ingenuity. Whether clucking in a coop or quacking on a pond, these creatures enrich our world in countless ways. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.